Open your web browser and search Rufus. I added the link in the description below, so check that out. So this is a Rufus website. So you need to download Rufus. So this is a Rufus and my ISO file. Then I open the Rufus software. This is a look very simple. So click the select button. Today I install Windows 10, so I select this Windows 10 ISO file. Now you need to start. It's saying your flash drive is fully formatted. It doesn't matter. So this process can be take 1 minute or 30 seconds. This method can using for create a bootable drive on Ubuntu, Linux, or in Windows, Mac OS or whatever. Okay, congratulations. You create your first bootable drive. Now you need to enter the BIOS screen. This is my BIOS screen. So I enter the BIOS and go to the boot menu and select the boot order. First boot drive is my USB stick. The second one is my SSD. Then you can save and exit on that menu. Now you can install the Windows. So this is a screen. You can select your language and OK. You have the key. You can edit that. I don't have key, so I click this. So I installing Windows home version. Click next with the license and term, and click that and press next. Custom installation is the best option, I think. Select your hard drive. Now it's installing Windows your hard drive. So it takes some time. Be patient. Now Windows is restarting. The Windows is restarting several times, so don't be triggered. Okay, I'm joking. So now you can edit the username and password. You can connect your Microsoft account if you have it. Select your region and your keyboard layout. I personally using US keyboard and US region. Type your PC name or your username. I don't add the password. So this is a Microsoft recommend settings. I don't own this, so I click no for all those things. Not now. Congratulations, you finally made it. Create a bootable drive and installing Windows. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. I'll see you in next time. Bye.